Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. It is currently Wednesday and we are going to my house right now to go swimming, but before we go there we're gonna go to Del Taco because neither of them have ever had Del Taco and Tara's so excited. So we're gonna go to Del Taco and then we're gonna go swimming and then we're gonna go shopping today. Also, Violet's here in the back with Tara, so
out the window. So
there's that.
Hold on, Violet.
But yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog to kind of like let you guys know what's going on. Also, if you haven't seen the first vlog, be sure to go watch that because it's already up. I don't know when this one's going up, but yeah. But yeah, also go to Amanda's channel because she's also vlogging and we love that. So
you know, I'm gonna montage the drive.
So yeah, I will update you later, probably when we have our food. You guys have to remind me because I always forget.
Yes, I will.
And then,
and I'm excited.
yeah, and Tara has to give it a review. So
I don't know if it'll be as good as Taco Bell, but
it's just different. But
is that what it's like? It's similar to Taco
she'll
Bell?
see. Yeah. Oh, this is a party for sure.
I know we had so much food.
Jordan was like, I hope I don't end up.
Hello guys, so I'm eating with everybody and I got a burger with some fries and I got some ketchup and I got some stickers, so yeah. See you guys in a little bit. Bye.
We are gonna be swimming. There's Madison. Hey guys, we have obviously stopped swimming and got dressed and we are now going to Savers, which is a thrift store, and then after that we're gonna go to a bunch of other stores, but hopefully I will update you so that you can just be in the loop as we go. But yes, I will probably show you a clip inside of Savers next. Hey guys, I feel like most of this vlog has had little talking, so I wanted to take a short clip. My skin looks questionable. It's just the lighting, I think. I also just showered and put lotion on, so that could also be why. But I'm outside with Violet right now, letting her go to the bathroom. But we all just like relaxed for a little bit before we have to. We make our own schedule. I don't know why I'm acting like this is like a scheduled thing, but before we go to dinner, we all just wanted to like relax for a little bit, freshen up and stuff. So that's what we did. Also, I don't think I recorded in H Mart at all, but we did go to H Mart, which is a Korean grocery store. What do I have on my head? That's rude. But yeah, we did go there and then we just went ahead and took Madison, my little sister, home and then picked up Violet because we left her at my house while we went to those two stores. Why was I not facing this way? This is probably the best way to face. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update so this video isn't like 5 seconds long and just all montages. But I'm really excited for dinner. We're getting sushi tonight, which is like one of my favorite foods, so I'm super excited and everyone else is super excited as well. So I will definitely try my best to show you our food, but we will see. Hey guys, we got the camera. So we went to Crumble. This is my box. That's their box. Here's Tara's box. But one of my cookies a little bit got smashed, but it's fine. It's still gonna taste just as good. Just a little stain. It's fine. It's literally so fine.
Which ones did you get? I don't even know.
I got brownie sundae, semi-sweet chocolate, and 2 snickerdoodle. I almost said churro. But yeah, so
We got one.
we might do a little review moment. I don't know, but that's it for now. Good morning, guys. Here's the second part of this vlog. I felt like yesterday was super short, but it's now Thursday and we are leaving the Airbnb to go get breakfast. So Tara's gonna get her Taco Bell breakfast that she's been wanting.
I feel like all I've done is like whenever you talk, I'm like,
I'm like, she doesn't actually speak English, it's fine. But yeah, so we're gonna get food, and then once we get back, I'll show you what we got. Hopefully, if they remind me, because I always forget. So there's Mike.
What are we gonna eat?
Okay, bye. Hey guys, ignore the mess. But me and Amanda are here to show you our beach outfits. So
I go first?
yes,
So these are shorts that were made out of my dad's high school jeans.
as you should.
And then this is my swimsuit from Target that I'm wearing as a shirt.
And your sandals.
They're from Walmart.
Ignore
Love them.
Violet being crazy. This is from Target. This is a bathing suit, by the way. I don't know where this is from. I've literally had it for years.
It's
and
super
these,
cute,
thanks. These shorts are from Walmart. And my Birkenstocks because I don't wear any other shoes. So that's it. I brought this on my camera.
wait, what'd you say?
We're at the aquarium and I got a smoothie. It's
Google Drive.
mango pineapple and it's really good, but it's gonna take me like forever to drink, so. Tara got one too. But yeah, we have pretty much seen most of the aquarium. So we'll probably just go back in and look downstairs and then
Gift shop.
probably, yeah, go to the gift shop for sure. So that's what we've been up to. We're at the beach. Not Tara running away because the water's freezing. We have a whole setup now. George and Evelyn brought everything for us. Love that. And Mike and Jordan are somewhere over there in the water swimming.
Go that way.
They've moved this way, so they're not gonna be able to find us when they come back, but it's fine. Hey guys, we're back at the Airbnb. We were just at the beach for a while, and then we went to a few like souvenir kind of shops, and then drove home, and now we're home. We're all just like changing. Oh my gosh, you got that shirt?
Yeah.
I'm a little bit jealous. Yeah. Look at Tara's new shirt. It's so cute. Huntington Beach, California. That's the beach we were at. But yeah, so we're just like changing and stuff, and then we're gonna get dinner soon, and I don't know what else, but yeah. We got afters. Oh shoot, the sign's behind me.